Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be decorating a little tabletop kind of organizer or trash can, whatever you guys want to use it as. I've been seeing so many other YouTubers decorating their little trash cans, and I actually was about to order one myself from Amazon, but I was also at the same time, I was like, you know what, I'm going to wait a little bit. And I was really hoping that the company would reach out to me to also do a review, and they did. They messaged me on Instagram, and then I was like telling my boyfriend, I was like, oh my god, they reached out to me. I really wanted this. So I'm super excited to be sharing this with you guys. It is from Lotsastyle on Instagram, and they have an Amazon shop, so I will have all the product information linked down below. But we are going to open it up. So I wanted the mint green one because I seem to like mint, like minty blues and greens. That's just what my craft room is right now. So this is what you get. Okay, it is a little mini trash can, and oh my god, it's so smooth. Okay. Mini trash can, you get little trash bags with that as well, and then it just has like their information for Lotsastyle. Okay, so we are actually going to decorate this today, but I am so happy to finally have one of these because I find that when I'm crafting, I end up throwing things on the floor and then I have to go back and clean it after. But if I had a tabletop organizer, like a little trash can, I feel like this would come in really handy. The way I'm going to decorate it is not going to be something that says that it's trash, only because if I don't like it as a trash can, you could still use it as an organizer. Like, I could organize my dies in here. I could just put in my new dies that I get from design team packages or things like that, and then I know that I need to, you know, use it, like something like this. You could put makeup brushes in here. You could put literally anything your heart desires, Copic markers, stamp sets, anything that you need to use for that crafting season, like Valentine's Day stickers, which just passed, but you know what I mean. So these are the little trash cans, but we're going to put this in a little bit. First, I want to decorate this. So let me show you guys what we are going to do. Alright guys, so here's what I did so far. I just want to print my, name on YouTube and Instagram, so KarolinasKrafts, and I just printed out a whole bunch of hearts, and I'm going to print this on a laser printer, only because I want to be able to foil this. So I'm actually printing it on clear paper, which I already did, and we are going to foil this and put this through my ink machine, and hopefully it foils. I've never done this on clear paper before, so hopefully this works. So I'm sandwiching it here, and then this is what's going to go through the ink. You just want everything sandwiched together. And then I have my ink machine already turned on and prepared on number 5, and this is just going to go run through, and the foil is supposed to adhere to the laser printed ink. I'm really hoping this is going to work out just fine. Again, I've never done it on clear paper, so I have no idea if this is actually going to work, but fingers crossed. And let's see. So bringing it up to my desk, opening it up, and ooh, okay, not the best foiling job on the clear, but it worked really well on the part that says KarolinasKrafts. The hearts, could have done a better job, but we're gonna cut this out because I like the KarolinasKrafts. If you have gold vinyl, you could totally skip this step and just go straight to the cutting. But I thought I had gold vinyl and I don't, so we're gonna do gold foil. Alright, so if you guys could see on here, I have all of like my red outline cut lines. That's what's gonna cut on here. There's gonna be a little outline, but it's fine because this is actually clear paper, even though it doesn't look like it to you guys yet. But it is clear paper. So I'm gonna put this into my silhouette. Okay guys, I cut everything out. If I did the cutting right and I had the right settings, then it'll be easy to peel off and add to my trash can, so let's try that. Okay, so I have my sheet here. If I did all the cutting right, like I mentioned, everything should come off nice and easily, and I should be able to just like stick it on. Ooh, it is coming off nice and easily. Also guys, if you would like your own little trash can or tabletop organizer, you can use the code Karolina30 with a K, and use that code to get 30% off. Oh my gosh guys, look, this is gonna look gorgeous. I also want to decorate the bottom, sorry. Oh my god, that foiling looks amazing. And I told you guys it's gonna be clear. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. Look at that. I didn't have vinyl, so I had no idea if this was gonna work, but it does. And you can't even tell that it's clear paper, because it looks like it's like this color, but it's just clear. This is like the background color, and the top is just clear. I have some hearts also that I could, you know, put on here. Oh my god, but that looks so good. I just didn't want something that's specific to, you know, saying it's a trash can. Okay, I think I want to add like a little washi down here. And then I was thinking spray paint. But guys, it is just way too cold outside. I don't want to go outside and spray paint this. So maybe I'll change it up in the summer if I don't like the washi tape. But for now, I have some washi tape. Well, that's going to look good on the bottom. Okay, so this actually has like a little backing. Okay, and I'm going to carefully place this along the bottom. Ooh, look at that, guys. I love gold, so you had to know I was going to do something with gold for sure. I don't think I'm doing this very straight. Time out, guys. Let me just arrange it. Maybe I should have it like stick out from the bottom a little bit so you could still see like a little border down there. Let me take this out. Hold on. Alright, so I'm just going to keep going around and around the mountain. Oh, it's looking so good. Washi tape is really good for this because it just kind of takes the shape of whatever you're putting it onto. And since this is curved, nice and easy to put onto here. Don't feel like you need to decorate the back. I'm just going all the way around because it's looking good. But there's so many different ways you can decorate this. You don't even have to decorate it at all. You could just leave it plain, but I'm just, you know, I like my gold. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut off the rest here and try to match it up. I probably should have started that in the back, but I didn't. Look how cute that looks, guys. Ah, my goodness, so gorgeous. I'm so excited to be using this. You guys are going to see it on my craft table a whole lot because, like I told you, all my scraps end up being on the floor currently. So I'm really looking forward to using this. I think I might want to add a couple of hearts. So let's go back to my sticker sheet that I had printed and cut. And let's decorate with some hearts. Oh my goodness, it's looking so good. So good. I'm going to put all the pretty hearts on the front. And then I'm going to decorate with some little hearts as well. Guys, this is turning out so much better than I had thought it was going to with the foiling, but it's actually turning out really good and it's making me happy. It just looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, guys, look how cute. This is so good. You know how sometimes you don't know if something is actually going to work out, but then it does, and it's like the best thing ever when we have these ideas and then they just work out. If you don't have a little trash can yet, I think you guys probably might need one. It's so fabulous. And once you decorate it, I mean, it's already such a pretty color. It also comes in like white and black and like a blush pink. So there's so many different options. Oh my god, so cute. I hope you guys like this video. It's a little different than what I normally do. But I hope you guys are enjoying it. Guys, how adorable. I pretty much used up all of my heart stickers except for a couple of little ones. That actually worked out. I did a good job estimating how many I would need. Maybe I'll just put like one down here. So there is my little trash can. Let's open up our little trashy bags and I'll show you guys the whole finished thing. I'm so happy that this is turning out so good. Go get yourselves one, guys. Even if you don't use it for a trash can, you could use it for whatever. And it's actually so much fun to decorate. You get to like make it your own, and you know, even just like my little clear stickers stuck onto it so well. This is great. Again, you can use the code Carolina30. I will also have it in the description box below, so you guys could see the code, and I will link it directly to the product, to this little trash can. So stinking cute. All right, so you put your little trash can in here, just like that. And what I like is like it's not just sitting on your, you know, on your desk just like this, because that looks like a trash can. But this covers the whole entire top, so you can't even tell when you're looking at it like this. You could tell obviously, like, you know, there's something like a little baggie in there, but I love that. So this is just gonna have its nice little house on my desk here. Oh my god, I love it. So stinking cute. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. All product information will be linked down below. And yeah, I can't wait to see your guys' creation. So definitely tag me on Instagram. And I would love to see what you guys create if you guys get one of these. And yeah, so fun. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.